Students, welcome in chemistry session. In continuation of the part photochemistry, here we are discussing the part of the Barton reactions. What is the Barton reactions? If we have the starting reactant molecule is what? This hydroxy compound. Hydroxy compounds which are having this alpha carbon, alpha, beta, gamma and this delta carbon atom. On the delta carbon atom there must two hydrogen atoms. It is treated with what? A basic condition, pyridine as a heterocyclic compound. This is a heterocyclic base with NaOCl nitrosyl chloride. Whatever the first step reaction, the pyridine act as a base, as a tertiary amines having tendency to take the proton from this hydroxy group. Then formation of what? This alkyl group is as it is convert into the O negatively charged NaOCl. This NaOCl having tendency to attack on these types of this nucleophilic attack on these atoms, loss of Cl here. But these types of the reaction, this is actually what a photo reaction. As you can say, this is the photo irradiation takes place and the bond is break by homolysis cleavage. So what happened? The homolysis cleavage or the fission takes place. First of all, this OH bond is break. This OH bond is break by heterolytically, homolytically, homolysis, then formation of O radical plus H radicals. It is create O radicals and H radicals. So this R group is as it is alpha, beta, gamma and delta carbon. So what happened here? Next step, this what HCl, this H radical is react with these Cl radicals, and this what HCl radicals, this loss of minus HCl hydrogen chloride. We are having this what NO radicals, this nitrosyl radicals. The radicals is combines with the oxygen atom. Then what happened? There is formation of what? O and double bond O, and this is what? Alkyl group. The further reaction takes place. What happened? This hydrogen atoms on the delta carbon atoms, this cleavage by the homolytically, again what? This bond is cleavage by homolytically. There is formation of what? H radicals and C radicals. There is again there is one of the target phenomenon is obtained, this H radicals. Here formation of H radical. This one is what? One O radical is formed, but this H goes to a hydrogen atom, oxygen atom, then formation of the OH, and this what? NO radicals is react with these radicals and the bond is formed between the C and NO radical. So I am writing this is what? Directly bond here. This is what? Formation of N double bond O. This is formation of N double bond O, NaOCl is from here. So there is next types of the step of the reaction takes place. What happened? This hydrogen atom is here, OH atoms. So this EH atom is break by homolytically and this bond is break by homolytically. So what happened here? These types of the species is generate OH, this one of the nitrogen, and this OH is formed. This O radical, oxygen contain O radicals and hydrogen goes to this oxygen atom. This formation of the OH and radical, and this one radical is here. The radical bond is combined. Then formation of what? This R and this is what? OH. This OH and this is formation of the double bond is here and this OH. So what happened? Next step, this hydrolysis in acidic condition. Hydrolysis in acidic condition, there is types of the CN bond is break and then formation of what? There is formation of this OH, C double bond O. So there is formation of what? A bifunctional compound. This one is alpha carbon, this beta and this gamma. So there is generation of this what? A gamma hydroxy. So there is formation of the compound is what? Gamma hydroxy carbonyl compound. Formation of gamma hydroxy carbonyl compound. This is called as a bifunctional compound. As you can say, this is what? Bifunctional compound. There is generation of the bifunctional compound starting from alpha, this hydroxy. Formation of starting from this what? Hydroxy compound. Not only hydroxy but also is called, this is what a nitrile compound is called as, this is what? A nitrile hydroxy compound. So the starting reactant molecule must be what? A monofunctional. This monofunctional is converted to the bifunctional, or you can say this is a Barton nitrile ester reaction. So this is called as a nitride is there. So nitride is converted into what? A bifunctional compound at a photo irradiation. So the reaction is takes place in the sunlight, in the presence of the sunlight. That's why you call this is the photo reaction. First, starting reactant molecule hydroxy compound. This hydroxy compound is treated with the pyridine and nitrosyl chloride. First, pyridine having tendency to take the proton from what? Hydroxy group. There is generation of the negatively charged, but how the reaction is takes place? This homolytically, bond is break O and H, generation of O radical and H radicals, and from here Cl radical. This H radical and Cl radicals, the bond is formed between H and Cl radical. There is a loss of hydrogen chloride. Here the next step is what? This carbon, this delta carbon, the bond between the carbon delta, this carbon hydrogen bond is break by a homolytically cleavage. At the time ON bond is break, then H radical is come with the oxygen radical and formation of the hydroxy group is here, NO bond is break. Then here there is what? Carbon hydrogen bond is break, and the generation of the carbon and nitrogen radicals. Here bond is formed between the nitrogen and carbon. There is formation of C and OH. The last step is what? Hydrolysis takes place in acidic condition. Here hydrolysis takes place in acidic condition. Oxygen is here and the OH is here. So there is what? Formation of what? Formation of bifunctional compound. This is called as gamma. So alpha beta gamma hydroxy carbonyl compound. So this is formation of the bifunctional compound from the monofunctional compound. It is called as what? Barton reaction. This is called B&A, Barton nitrile ester reaction. Starting reactant molecule. Suppose if you have R group, instead of we can take this PH, benzene nucleus is here. So this is one of the application of Barton reaction. Instead of R group we can take phenyl group is there, aromatic nucleus is there. So again here these types of the group also we can take CS3 group, we can take CS3 group or C2H5 group. So this is again one of the part of application of Barton reaction. So another example we will take as part from the steroidal types of the compound, alkaloid and steroid. So one of the steroid types of the compound, like this is the progesterone, testosterone and what? Estrogen. So the types of the compound from this polymeric types of the compound, starting reactant molecule. For example, we will take these types of the compound is here. So these types of the compound is which are can this what types of the molecules. Here the 4-member compound. This is for we can take this carbonyl is here. This one is what? This CS3 atoms are group of atoms. This is the delta. This one is what? Alpha beta gamma hydrogen atoms. This is the delta. This one is gamma alpha beta. This is the alpha carbon atom. So this alpha carbon atom having the OH group. So this is treated with what? NaCl, nitrosyl chloride, in presence of the pyridine as a base. In presence of the pyridine as a base, in sunlight photo irradiation is takes place. Hydrolysis in acidic condition. So what happened? What is that part of the synthesis of the product? So as we can say, this alpha beta gamma and delta hydrogen atoms, alpha beta gamma and delta. So this delta hydrogen atom, it must be carbonyl compound. This what? two CH3 atoms are group of atoms. So alpha beta gamma and this what again what? Delta. So we will take these types of the carbon. This is what? Tertiary carbon. This is what? A secondary carbon atom. So of course the reaction product of the reaction is takes place. What happened? This nucleus, the bicyclic compound, it is what? A steroidal types of the compound. Here I am writing this CH3, CH2. This is the as it is. You can say this CH3 atoms or this CH3 atom is here. So there is generation of the carbonyl group is here. This one is what? A hydroxy group, and this C double bond O as it is. So we will take this what? CH3 atoms here also. CH3 atom is here also. Then what? A CH3 atom is here. CH3 atom is here. So this is what? A methyl group. This one is what? A methyl group is there. So like this is called as for generation of this carbonyl as functional group is here on the delta carbon atom. So this is one of the application of the Barton reaction. So another types of the example we will take. This is what? Suppose if you can take this hydroxy group is here. So this carbonyl compound, alpha beta gamma delta. This one is CH3 atoms. This one is alpha beta gamma and this is what a delta carbon atom is here. So if you can take this CH3 atom C is here and this CH3 atom is here. So alpha, beta, gamma, and this one is a delta. This one is what a alpha, beta, gamma, and delta carbon. So this CH3 atoms. So what happened? The same reaction condition, NaOCl, nitrosyl chloride, pyridines, irradiation photo, and the hydrolysis in the acidic condition. These CH3 atoms or group of atoms, these are on the delta carbon. Sorry, here is also delta carbon atom. This is not delta, alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. So what happened? The types of the product is obtained. This what methyl group is as it is. Here the top bottom of the methyl group is what as it is. This is CH3, this C double bond O as it is. Again this OH is also as it is. Here these types of the again cyclohexane group. This is CH3. Here CH3 is converted into again what a CHO. So there is formation of CHO group, CH3 as it is. Here the bifunctional compound is takes place. Here this can take this CH3, again the CH3. We can take this is the polymeric compound is here. What happened here? This CH3 on delta carbon atom is converted to the CHO. CH3 convert into CHO. So this is one of the application of Burton reaction. Keep in mind, you can target on the delta carbon. So not alpha, not beta, not gamma. This order on a delta carbon atom is here. So delta carbon atom must be 2 hydrogen atom. It must be 2 hydrogen atom. Then these types of the group it convert into what? CO group. It may be keto group or it may be aldehyde group. When it become to aldehyde, whenever the delta carbon atoms having the CH3 group, then always formation of CHO. Whenever the delta carbon atom is CH2 group, it is always formation of what? A ketone. So this is what a application of Burton reaction. CH3 converted into the CHO or CH2 converted into the CO ketone. This formation of the keto, as you can say, hydroxy keto compound, hydroxy carbonyl compound. Such types of the reaction or transformation is carried out by using nitrosyl chloride, pyridine as a basic condition, hydrolysis in acidic condition, photo irradiation. These are what? Burton, or as you can say, Barton photo reaction.